In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for tasks management. To get started, open Miro and go to a new board. This gives you a clean workspace where you can set up a simple, repeatable system for tracking tasks. Starting from a new board is helpful because it keeps your tasks set up separate from brainstorming or whiteboarding boards you may already have. Once you are inside the board, look for the Templates option and click it. Templates are pre-built layouts designed to save time, and for task management, they can give you structure right away, instead of building columns and labels from scratch. In the template search field, type in highlight. After you type that in, you will see matching templates appear. Take a moment to choose the template that best suits your needs. The right choice depends on how you like to work, but the goal is the same: a clear view of what needs to be done, what is in progress, and what is complete. Selecting a template here sets you up with a ready-to-use task board layout. After you choose your template, click on Set as Default View. This is important because it tells Miro to open this board in that task-focused view automatically. It helps you stay consistent, especially if you return to this board daily or share it with a team. A default view reduces friction and keeps everyone looking at the same layout. Next, click on Highlight and then click on Highlight again. These clicks confirm your selection and apply the view, so the template becomes the main way you interact with the board. If you ever feel like the template did not apply correctly, repeating these clicks can help ensure the correct view is active. At this point, by default, you will now see the tasks template on your board. From here, you can begin your work directly inside that template. Keep your tasks short and specific, and update items regularly so the board stays useful. The more consistently you maintain it, the more reliable it becomes as your single place to track progress. And that covers everything you need to know.